11th math student, today I am going to start your new chapter, that is probability. So first you have to know about the sample space. So in a random experiment we don't know about the result or we can't predict what will come out. Such type of experiment is known as random experiment. For example, when a coin is tossed to unbiased coin, there are two possible results, H and T. So sample space is the set of all possible outcomes or results in a random experiment is called sample space. It is represented by capital S. When a pair of coins is tossed or two coins are tossed simultaneously, its outcomes HH means in both time or in both coin, maybe HH or TT, HT or TH. Next example, when a coin is tossed 3 times, to triple H or triple T, 2H, 1T by permutation, HTH, THH, or 1H, 2T, there are 3 sets, THT, TTH, HTT, means 2 cubes, that is there are 8 outcomes. When a dice is thrown, there are 6 possible outcomes, numbered 1 to 6. When a pair of dice is thrown, to 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6, similarly 2 1 2 2 and last 2 6, 3 1 3 2 last 3 6, 4 1 4 2 last 4 6, 5 1 5 2 last 5 6, 6 1 6 2 last 6 6, means there are 36 results. Similarly, when a coin dice is thrown 3 times, so you will have 6 cube, means 2 1 6 results. When a dice is thrown n times, so 6 raised to the power n. Now see, what is sample points? All the possible results of a sample space are known as sample points. Now see, events. What is events? So occurrence of any result from the sample space is called event. Sure and certain events. Sure or certain event, and event which must occur whenever experiment is performed is called sure or certain event. So for example, when a two-headed coin is tossed, so it is sure the head will come out or coin must choose head. Why? Because it is two-headed coin. In both faces, coin shows head. Or a bag contains 6 black balls, the probability of occurrence of black is sure or happening of drawing a ball is sure or certain. Why? Because bag contain only black ball. The probability of sure or certain event is 1. Impossible event, and event which never occurs whenever experiment is performed. For example, when a dice is thrown, the probability of or happening of greater than 6 number is impossible. Why? Because dice shows only from 1 to 6, less than or equal to 6 number. So more than 6 number is impossible. Probability of impossible event is 0. Okay. Now simple events. So events which contain single outcomes is called simple events. Compound an event which contain more than 2 outcomes is called compound events. Now see basic definition of probability. Let S be a sample space, E is favorable event, what we need. Let small a is number of favorable outcomes and small b is unfavorable outcomes. मतलब जो हम चाहते हैं वो नहीं आता. ए फेवरेबल मतलब जो हम चाहते हैं वो कॉइन शो कर रहा है, कॉइन और इन एक्सपेरिमेंट रिजल्ट शोइंग favorable. So probability of occurrence of favorable event E is written as PE is equal to NE by NS. NE means total number of favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So favorable outcomes is A, unfavorable outcomes is B. Then NE by NS is A upon A plus B. A plus B is here NS, means total number of outcomes were favorable and unfavorable. Now PE bar complement. Complement means not occurrence of favorable outcomes, that is PE bar is 1 minus PE, where PE plus PE bar is 1. Also you will remember probability of any event is greater than or equal to 0. It may be 0 but less than or equal to 1, means maximum 1 and minimum 0. It will never be negative. Okay.